Vollis Simpson never called himself an artist, but the New York Times did. This farm machinery repairman had a way of turning metal scraps into magnificent things. At 65, Vollis began his retirement by welding road signs to plows and fastening bicycle tires to washing machine parts. He created sculptures that, with the slightest breeze, would come alive, spinning, dancing, clanging. Vollis found a harmony in marrying the unexpected to form the fantastic. He called these works of folk art whirligigs. Today, his work can be found in museums around the world, but the largest collection of his whirligigs are right here in his hometown of Wilson.
Vollis was he was a unusual man. He was a kind man. You had to get to know Vollis. You had to win his trust. What he was focused on his last 25 or 30 years was building these whirligigs. But if you went to visit him, he'd put his tools down, he'd talk to you, but it got to the point that he couldn't work because so many people were coming from all over the world to see him.
Inside the park that bears his name, you'll find 30 kinetic sculptures. Some are over 60 feet in height. Stop by and look at the sky on a windy day. You'll be amazed. You'll be inspired. You'll never think of junk the same way again.